Hello everyone, welcome you all. Let's start our discussion and solve physics question paper of Opsc Pgt 2021. In the previous videos, we have solved up to question number 50. So in this video, we will start from question number 51. Okay, let's start. Question number 51. The differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus x square minus n square y equals to 0, where n is a real number. So this is a Bessel's differential equation. Okay, so your correct option is option B. एमती आउ दुटा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन अछि मन रखियो जाकि क्वेश्चन आसी देखियो फास्ट कोन लीजेंडरी डिफरेंस लीजेंडरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equals to 0. Okay, so this is legendary differential equation. So Bessel तो देखो क्वेश्चन आसी आउ गोटे इंपोर्टेंट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होची हार्माइट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मन रखियो हार्माइट differential equation. So that is your d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2ny equals to 0. Similar. Next, 52. The Stirling's formula is ln n factorial equals to n log n minus n. Okay, so your correct option is option A. Next, 53. In statistical mechanics, the large number of similar non-interacting and independent systems which are grouped together is termed as an ensemble. Okay, so your correct option is option C. So, as we know, there are three important ensembles like micro-canonical, micro-canonical, canonical, and grand canonical. Okay, and grand canonical. So, micro-canonical कौन है? ना every element will be having number of particles, volume, and energy same. And in canonical, number of particles n, volume, and temperature will be same. And in grand canonical, chemical potential mu, volume, and temperature will be okay. So here you should remember for microcanonical these are isolated systems. Okay, in canonical the systems will be in thermal equilibrium, and in grand canonical both chemical and thermal equilibrium. Next, 54. The Maxwell velocity distribution is valid for a classical gas in equilibrium irrespective of the nature of the particle interaction. Okay, so your correct option is option B. Next, 55. The conserved quantities in the scattering of a particle from a spherical symmetric potential are energy, L square, and Lj. Okay, so your correct option is option A. Next, 56. A discontinuous change in the specific heat is a characteristic feature of discontinuous change in specific. That is your second order phase transition. Okay, remember for first order phase transition, the specific heat discontinuous, but there is infinite discontinuity. Okay, but in second order, there is finite discontinuity. Next, 57. The volume of a cell in 6-dimensional phase space is HQ. Okay, so C is your correct option. Next, 58. The Fermi energy of free electron gas depends on the electron density h. देखो फर्मी एनर्जी रो एक्सप्रेशन कोन ना EF equals to h square by 2n 3 pi square n 2 by 3. N means your electron density. Okay, so Fermi energy varies with density h 2 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so B is your correct option. Next, 59. The Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation is dP by dt equals to L by T V2 minus V1. Okay, so D is your correct option. Next, 60. The value of x dx is. Okay, देखो এইটাକୁ তুমি डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट कर परियो नोले एक कैलकुलेशन पर आमे गोटे जनरल फार्मूला डिस्कशन करियो ताको मन रखियो जेमति कि x d by dx psi for any wave function psi we can write using the commutator formula like x d by dx psi minus d by dx of x psi. So from here we can use the product rule. So x d psi by dx minus x d psi by dx minus psi. So this first term and second term will cancel out. So this is equals to minus I. So you can see in left hand side x d by dx psi equals to minus psi. So if you compare left hand side and right hand side, we will get x d by dx commutator bracket of x and d by dx is equals to minus 1. Okay. So your correct option is option D. Okay, so you can solve in this way. Otherwise, you can remember one general formula that is d by dx, commutator bracket of d by dx in function, any function f of x equals to d by dx of f of x. You can remember this directly. Okay, d by dx f of x commutator bracket equals to d by dx f of x. So, using this formula, see, you can calculate if you are given with px, momentum x component, and ex. Okay, so you have to calculate this commutator bracket. So here you can use directly p of x is minus I h cut. So I am taking constant out of this commutator bracket. So minus I h cut d by dx exponential x. Now use this formula d by dx f of x. So d by dx f of x. Here f of x is sorry exponential x here x. Okay, so minus I h cut d by dx exponential x. So this is minus I h cut exponential x. Okay. Next, 61. The energy eigenvalues of a simple harmonic oscillator is both discrete and equispaced. Okay, so B is your correct option. देखो एनर्जी हमर हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर ପାଇଁ कोन आसे n equals to n plus half n plus half h cut omega. So for ground state you can see energy is h cut half h cut omega. For first excited state this is 3 by 2 h cut omega. For second excited state 5 by 2 h cut omega. So you can see there is the difference is h cut omega between any two states, between ground state, fast excited state, between fast excited state and second excited state. The difference in energy is h cut omega. So this is equispaced and energy states are discrete. Okay. Next, 62. An antiproton is the one that has the mass and charge of a proton. Okay. If you see the magnitude, charge is same as proton, but if you see the sign will be negative. Okay. So D is your correct option. Here you can remember mass of proton is 938.5 mega electron volt per c square. This is for proton and antiproton. Mass is same. Okay. So in the similar way for neutron, okay, mass of neutron is 939.2. mega electron volt to c square. Okay. Next, 63. A moderator is used to slow down the neutrons in a nuclear reactor. So B is your correct option. Okay. যদি example ଦେଖିବ moderator ର କଣ then your ordinary water, then your heavy water, that is your D2O, and also your graphite. Okay. Graphite is also is used as moderator in nuclear reactor. Next concept ରହୁଛି यार control ର control road ଉପରେ ବି क्वेश्चन ଆସେ କେବେ କେବେ एग्जांपल ପଚାରେ ଦେଖ ଏଠି ଯେମିତି application ପଚାରିଛି ହେଲା କି ସେମିତି control road application କଣ these are used to control the chain reaction to control, okay, to control the chain reaction. अच्छा control road ର example कौन ସେମିତି ନା cadmium देखियो बहुत थोड़ा एग्जाम रे देखियो cadmium रे ही क्वेश्चन आछी अच्छा आउ कोन कंट्रोल रोड एग्जांपल लिखियो ना मन रखियो बोरॉन इंडियम indium ion indium then your silver, okay, so these are examples of control. Next 64, the strongly interacting bosons with zero spin. Bosons कौन हमारे mesons, so you can choose A is your correct option. Lepton spin baryon half 3/2, okay, so A is your correct option. Next 65, one of the main result of the famous Rutherford's gold foil experiment is most of the alpha particles passes through the foil with negligible deflection, but some were deflected through large angle. Okay, so D is your correct answer. Next, 66. In a differential region dx, the probability of finding a particle is given by this psi star dx or mod psi square dx. Okay, so C is your correct option. Next, 67. The expectation value of a dynamical variable governed by a Hermitian operator is the mean value of the quantity given by the probability density. So A is your correct answer. 68. An observable that has no explicit time dependence and it commutes with the Hamiltonian, then it is a quantum mechanical constant of motion. Okay, C is your correct answer. Next, 69. According to the compound nuclear theory, the nuclear reaction is a two-step process. Okay, so B is your correct answer. Okay, now, a compound nuclear theory, it was given by Bohr. Okay, so this is based on nuclear fission. Okay. So nuclear fission. So uh, there is two steps for this nuclear fission. In first step, there is formation of compound nucleus. Okay, there is formation of compound nucleus. After absorbing the neutron, then there is decay of this compound nucleus. Okay, decay of compound nucleus. Decay of compound nucleus. Okay, so these are the two steps involved in a nuclear fission reaction. Next, 70. Parity is not conserved in beta decay. Okay, so C is your correct option. देखो मने कौन रखियो parity is conserved. Parity is conserved in strong interaction, in electromagnetic interaction, but this is not conserved in weak interaction. Okay, देखो ये ऊपर बहुत थोड़ा क्वेश्चन आछे तो आपको भल से रिवाइज करियो. Next, 71. The spherical harmonics are the part of both orthogonal and Hilbert's. So D is your correct option. Next, 72. The validity of WKB approximation is when system potential varying slowly. Okay. So C is your correct option. अच्छा देखो एठी लैंग्वेज रे पचाछि केबे केबे क्वेश्चन ले कोन थाए मैथमेटिकली थिबो तो मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन मन रखिबो तार कोन ना d lambda by dx less than 1. Okay, নহলে lambda को जेमती हमें कौन जान Heisenberg uncertainty principle lambda can be represented as h by p. So केबे केबे यार देखियो एक्सप्रेशन एमिति करिवो कि h cot d by dx 1 by p less than 1. And remember, this is a semi-classical approximation because this slowly varying potential will found in semi-classical region. Okay, so this is a semi-classical approximation. Next, 73. The value of commutator bracket of p x x psi. अच्छा देखो ये कौन होगा p x x psi. देखो हम कौन चुना अछि x p x कौन I h को इटी बचा अछि से p x x. That means that will be negative. So negative I h cot psi minus I h cot psi. So B is your correct option. Next, what is the base of the duodecimal number system? That is 12. Okay, so A is your correct option. Remember, for binary, base is 2. For octal number system, base is 8. For decimal number system, base is 10. For hexadecimal, base is 16. Next, 75. The gate which is high output when all the inputs are also high, that is your AND gate. Okay, so you can check the truth table like for AND gate. Okay, so X like input A, B, output Y. Okay, for AND gate we know output will be A times B. So when 0 0 it is 0, for 0 1 it is 0, for 1 0 it is 0, and for only 1 and 1 output will be 1. Okay. So for OR gate also you can check. In OR gate output is addition, that is A plus B. You can say for 0 0 it is 0, for 1 0 this is 1, for 0 1 this is 1, and for 1 1 it is 1. But in case of AND gate the output is 1 only when both the inputs are high. Okay, acha सेमती आउ दिटा important gate अछि हमर कोन major and XNOR, that is your exclusive OR gate. Okay, our output expression kono A bar B plus A B bar, and for XNOR this is output is A B plus A bar B bar. Okay, तो एठी जो important concept बा question आसे मन रखियो, the output of exclusive OR gate is high. Output of exclusive OR gate is high only when the inputs are different. भल से मन रखियो, inputs are different means मन रखियो जेमती देखो हमें ट्रुथ टेबल लेवल लिखिथिल ना कोन थिला हमर 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. देखो जेमती मु लेखुची इनपुट A B आउटपुट एक्सप्रेशन एटा A बार B प्लस A B बार. देखो मु का भाई लिखुची ना एक्सक्लूसिव OR गेट पाई जितले 0 0 हबो आउटपुट मन रखियो 0 0 1 आउटपुट 1 1 0 आउटपुट 1 1 1 आउटपुट 0. याको कैलकुलेट करके तुम्हें वेरीफाई कर परियो. देखो जितले इनपुट A0 B1 A1 B0 different, when inputs are different only at that time only output are high. And next for exclusive NOR gate output is high only when inputs are same. तामाने कौन हबो exclusive NOR gate पे 0 0 रहिले आउटपुट कौन हबो 1, 0 0 हेले इनपुट आउटपुट कौन हबो 1, 0 1 हेले आउटपुट 0, 1 0 हेले आउटपुट 0, 1 1 हेले आउटपुट 1. When these inputs are same output will be high. Okay, we have completed up to question number 75. We'll continue from question number 76 in the next video. So let's stop here. I think this will definitely help you in your exam preparation, and if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.